Lovely day. Alright, good morning. It's about 6:30 and got some exciting news. We're gonna go mount these tyres up first thing. So I need to have a quick brekkie and we'll chuck the wheels in the car and quickly get some fuel, and then we'll head up to the tyre shop, and one of my mates who works there will be able to put those on for me. So just a heads up, it's not the tyre shop that broke my wheel stud. Alrighty, it's time to go, so let's get these wheels in the car. Alright, we're just gonna stop for a bit of fuel because pretty low, so should probably do that, just fill her up a bit, and then we'll get going to the tyre shop. Alright, just a quick update. Gave my wheels to me mate, so no longer in the back, and he's mounting them up now. Don't really want to film inside their workshop because they kind of, you know, I mean, it's their workshop, so we'll just wait till they're all on and we'll shove them back in the car. Alright, we just got back from the tyre shop getting these brand new meats mounted to the new work wheels, and tell you what, it looks fat, it looks awesome, man. I can't wait to get home and take off my wheels and, you know, see how these kind of like size up to the original guards before I start putting a bit of camber in, and before I have to, I'll definitely have to roll the rear guards, but I'm excited to see what they will look like on the car as is. So, have a look at, just some good meat, you know. Oh, look at this meat, man. Gotta use the jack that comes with the car because, well, I don't really have a jack yet, so definitely gonna have to buy one of those. Here's a nice size comparison for you. Definitely a big improvement, that's for sure. 235 to 265. Whew. Let's get these on. Alright, I've got the wheels fitted on all sides now, and they look so good. Absolutely awesome. Just a little bit of poke from the fronts and the rear. That's because the fronts just need to have some camber adjusted on them, because right now they're pretty flat. And then the rears will need to be rolled and maybe pulled ever so slightly out. But I don't think there's much to worry about there. Alright, g'day, welcome back. It's a brand new day, and I thought that what I'm going to do today is I'm going to adjust the camber on the front wheels, so we kind of get it nice and within the guard, because at the moment they poke just a little bit. So I think the best bet is to move this screw to this hole here, and the same with this one, so these are nice and together. And then we're going to lift the car up on this side. We're going to adjust these and slide it over accordingly, and just trial and error until we put the car back down and it is under the guard and looks nice and neat. I'm going to pop it in this hole so they're nice and close together. Alright, so the main idea is we've just loosened these screws off a little bit just so it gives movement, and we're able to slide this plate over. As you can see, as we slide it over, it moves the wheel. So it's able to give us that camber. So I think for now, our best bet is we're gonna try maybe like halfway. So let's give that a go. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty close. So I think we're actually okay. That was a pretty good guess straight up. Alrighty guys, welcome back. It's a brand new day again, and it's been a few days since I've last updated you. It's been raining lately, and the sun's only just come out to play today, so I thought I'd roll down to a spot I think I can get a few good photos, and I'll explain to you how everything's been going with this whole setup with all these wheels. Alright, I've just parked in a local parking lot, so I'm just going to show you around what's happened. Wheel alignment is all done, and I've basically perfected it. I was going to get a professional to get these guards rolled, but then I thought to myself, who does a better job working on their own car? Who's going to take more care of their own car? And I figured I'd give it a crack, and I had my mate Bill to help me out. So Bill was on the heat gun and I was rolling the guards, and it took a little while, I'm not gonna lie. We took a fair few hours, like 3 hours. With rolling your guards, I highly recommend just going slow, bit by bit. Don't do any aggressive angles with the roller. And then at the end, you can kind of go aggressive when you start to pull it out. I haven't pulled it out too much, and I honestly didn't want to pull it out too much because I didn't want it to look weird. But honestly, I pulled it out perfectly. I'm really happy about it. So I've just adjusted the camber to about 2.3 degrees. So negative 2.3 degrees camber, and it sits under the guard really well. Don't have to roll it because there's really not much of a lip. But that's the height it's sitting at the moment. Alrighty, so basically to sum everything up, I've rolled and pulled slightly the rear fenders. The rear camber is negative 1.5 degrees, and that's due to the natural lowering of the suspension, as they're just normal stock lower control arms. And the front suspension has been cambered to negative 2.3 degrees. This is as per my wheel alignment sheet. So that's how you do it. That's how you fit 265 wheels and still stay functional. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and there'll definitely be more videos soon. If you want to check out my Instagram, I will leave the link in the description, and I'll see you next time.
Do you feel the vibe?